Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to adjust your image using brightness, saturation, and contrast options in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS launches and you can see your main interface, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active video and audio sources are listed, and it's the key to accessing the customization options you'll need for this tutorial. In the Sources section, locate your video capture device or webcam from the list. Once you've found it, right-click on it to bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, look for and select Filters. This will open a new window dedicated to all the effects and adjustments you can apply to your video source, giving you full control over how your camera feed appears. Once the Filters window opens, look to the bottom left corner where you'll see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon to reveal a list of available filter options. From this list, select Color Correction. This is the specific filter that allows you to fine-tune the visual characteristics of your video, including brightness, contrast, and saturation. After selecting it, click OK to add it to your source. Now you'll see the color correction filter interface with several sliders available for adjustment. Start by locating the contrast slider, click and drag it either left or right based on your preferences. Moving it to the right increases the difference between light and dark areas, making your image more vivid and defined, while moving it left creates a softer, more muted look. Adjust it until you're satisfied with how sharp or soft your image appears. Next, find the brightness slider and adjust it by dragging left or right according to what works best for your setup. Sliding to the right will lighten your overall image, which is helpful if your room is poorly lit, while sliding left will darken it, useful if you're dealing with overexposure or harsh lighting conditions. Take your time to find the perfect balance that makes your video look natural and well lit. After that, move on to the saturation slider. This controls the intensity of colors in your video. Drag the slider left to desaturate and create a more washed out or even black and white effect, or drag it right to make colors more vibrant and punchy. Adjust this based on the aesthetic you're going for and how you want your stream or recording to look. Once you're happy with all your adjustments, look to the bottom right corner of the Filters window and click Close. This will save all your settings and apply them immediately to your video source. Your camera feed will now display with the new brightness, contrast, and saturation levels you've configured, giving your stream or recording a more polished and professional appearance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.